Hello friends. So in the last video, we used a sync file to fetch the data from an API, from this dummy API and show the data, right? Now, while fetching the data from the API, we use this service, right? HTTP client service. So this is already provided by Angular. Whenever we want to make an API call, we use this service, right? But in Angular, we can create our own custom services, right? So why we create custom services? So logic like this, right, where we fetch data from an API. So this logic can be reused at multiple places, right? So in the app component, we are fetching the data. There could be a situation in the large application where we might require this logic to be called multiple times, right? This data might be required in multiple other components as well. So what to move this to a common place, right? To a shared place where because this is going to be a reusable code, right? So we move it to the shared location, uh, and for that we create services. Right? So what we will do, we will create a service for this call, and then we will use that service over here. So to create a service, we have to do mv generate service, and there we have to place this, we have to pass a path. So we can put services slash and name of the service. So I'll call it as data service. We hit enter, and you can see the two files have been updated. These two files have been created under services folder. Okay, see the service folder, the service file. It is a class named data service with an injectable decorator. So this injectable decorator is what makes it a service which can be injected. So Angular basically injects services using dependency injection. Right? So what is dependency injection? In app component, if you go inside the app component, this is basically what is dependency injection. So here you can see like HTTP is dependent on this class HTTP client, but it is injected through a constructor. Right? So this app component is not basically aware of what is there inside the HTTP client, and what is the logic, right, inside the HTTP client, what is the code. But its only job is that whatever service is injected inside the component, it has to use it. Right? So instead of using HTTP client, here we will use data service now. Okay? And we will move this code to data service. So we can add a function to get data. From here, we can return this. And we will inject HTTP client inside this service. The data service get. So this is now at a common plane. Wherever we want this data, we can call it from any other component or service. So this is how dependency injection is done in the Angular application. Now in the inside injectable decorator, you can see provided in. Provided in the root means this service will have only one instance. Right? So whenever the application is created, this service will be generated once, and then it would be reused from wherever it is called. Right? And this some questions. So you can see it. We can still have, we are still getting the data. We are calling data service. From data service, we are fetching the data from the API. The same data gets populated from the app component. So this is how we create a service in the Angular, and we do dependency injection. Right? So if you have any question on this, do let me know in the comment. We can discuss or try to sort out something. Okay. Thank you for watching.